Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, then on the passenger side you should see your coolant reservoir here. This would be where you typically ever need to add to. And you want to make sure the vehicle's off and cool down when you work with the system. You never want to work with it while it's hot, just since this is like a poison and it can get to a boil, so you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out onto you. But on the side here you see a max line and a minimum's below that. See, there is supposed to be some air gaps, so don't fill it all the way to the top. And when you're also doing this, double check you got the best coolant for your particular make and model. And then often you want to match the same color and as best as you can the same type that's been in here. Better not to mix and match. But when you're ready to fill, just unscrew this, and either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed to around that full mark. And then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then at that point I would probably run the vehicle for a bit and then watch as the coolant circulates through the motor, see if you've got any coolant puddling around the engine bay or under the radiator, anywhere like that, so you can spot cracks and leaks within either, say, the reservoir, the radiator, or lines. And if you do see some liquid puddling, a way to tell that apart from coolant versus water condensation, for example, is it should have a slight color to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but say if you have a glove on and feel it, it should feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.